Hi guys! Welcome back to channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Akriti.
And I'm Shaurya.
And Shaurya, what are we doing today?
So this video is especially for our teenage audience who's stepping into a new phase of life and going to college. So we thought of doing a video and telling you all about our experience of our first day of college, our anxiety, our anxiousness, and how we overcame it.
So many of you must be stepping into a new phase of life from school to college, and it is a big step. Everybody gets anxious and gets anxiety. Even we were really nervous. So let's start with talking about how we felt on our first day of college. Shaurya, how about you tell us?
So I came from a city called Lucknow, and now from north to coming to Pune is a totally different cultural change for me. I was almost secured within home boundaries. Mom and dad were very protective, especially because I was a girl and then I was in Lucknow. So mom and dad were very protective. So I was 17 when I came to Pune all by myself into a new city. I really had like huge dreams and I wanted to fulfill them. I wanted to do college fashion shows, but I was equally nervous at the same time because, you know, it's a new place, new people, new culture altogether. So, but I finally did that. We had a team and we led it, and both of us met through fashion shows, and that's how our journey began. But yes, the first day of college I was really nervous, very anxious because I had no clue what I was stepping into and what sort of people I'll meet. So yeah, it was kind of new. What was your experience?
So I come from an army background, and my dad has always been posted to really small places which have been like really far, somewhere like Ladakh and Shillong and Srinagar. So I've always stayed in small places in protected environment. But then I came down to Pune and it was like a cultural shock for me because suddenly I was in a big city and I was really scared, I was very anxious, I was very nervous, and I was actually very introvert, so it was a very big deal for me. And initially when I started going to college, I only used to go sit in my lecture, not speak to anybody and just come back. But slowly, because I was into fashion, I wanted to do things, I opened up myself, I went for auditions where I met her. Slowly we started doing a lot of things and we started doing fashion shows, we started winning things, and I made a lot of friends. And then gradually things changed, we became more confident and we started loving college life.
This one calls herself introvert, but she went ahead and backed so many titles in fashion shows. I'm so glad that we shared that teenage phase together because, you know, we were so lost and conscious all the time, but together we taught each other so many things and we grew up to be confident women today, and we're here talking to you guys about all of this. So I'm so glad that we had that phase together.
Also, talking about those days, I remember that the only thing which we used to carry around was a clean and clear face wash. I used to carry a kajal for sure and probably a moisturizer. That's all that we used. We had no idea about makeup, no foundation, compact, lipstick, nothing. A lip balm, that's all.
I used to be without kajal half the time. Like I never used to wear kajal because she used to wear it. I was like, okay, let's try kajal sometime.
Even during the college trips, all that we used to pack was this clean and clear face wash and a lip balm, moisturizer. That is all. And actually, talking about you guys, all teenage girls, your skin is amazing, you need to protect it. So the only thing which you should be using is a good face wash. No makeup, nothing, just let your inner glow come out.
Now that I think of it, Clean and Clear is for all skin types and leaves your skin really fresh. And I think that's all you need on your first day of college. You need to look fresh, and especially when you have a skin which is healthy and glowing, you'll automatically ooze out the confidence that you require on your first day.
So talking about college, there are three main looks which we wanted to discuss with you guys, which will be essential to your college life. The first one is a fresh look. This is like the look which you're gonna take with yourself to the first day of college. And in this, you need to just make sure that you have a clean face, that natural glow, no makeup, have lots of water, feel very confident about yourself. And you need to just wear a nice high weight fitted denims with a casual t-shirt, carry a nice backpack in which you can carry everything, and sneakers or loafers so that you're comfortable and you can just run around doing anything in your college. So be natural, have your big smile on and be confident.
So the next most important event in college is the freshers party, and we look forward to it more than anything else. So we need to look trendy yet approachable because that's the time when you socialize with people and where you meet your study buddies for the rest of your life. So wear a little black dress, carry a black clutch, and wear a red lipstick just in case you plan to dance a lot, then wear ballerinas. Just make sure they're black and you'd be good to go.
So we all need that one look to impress our seniors and our teachers. So this is the dress to impress look. You need to make sure that you're wearing formals and you're looking very sharp. Make sure that you get nice high waist pants with a white shirt. You can never go wrong with that. Carry a tote along with you and wear comfortable pumps because it's college. You need to make sure that you're comfortable no matter what. But no matter what look you're going for, your BFF is going to be clean and clear because you need to make sure that you're putting forward your best face. You look fresh and upbeat for all of the looks, and this was our BFF during our college.
So we really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'd love to know your stories of your first day of college. So do comment below and let us know. And
I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to
Pretty Little Things. Bye guys!
Talking about college, there are three
आवाज को क्या हुआ? एकदम से चुहा हुआ. So talking about college,